multimedia audio, sound and light effects of the museum are great, and the interactive games are also very good. The cultural relics in the historical exhibition area are very complete. There will be relevant links when you go to Shimonoseki to visit the shrine in the afternoon. The attractions are very close to the subway station, and they are very cheap. There are many things to see and play inside. It is worth visiting. The boat inside is quite special and pretty good. It's also very convenient to use tickets. It's close to Mojiko Station, so it's worth stopping by and looking around. I didn't have high expectations, but the cafe is pretty and the exhibits are worth seeing. I recommend a visit for those with children. It takes about 10 minutes to walk from the train station. In addition to exhibitions, there are also some interactive activities where you can spend 1 to 2 hours.